Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Bo's with me again. We are driving Jenny's new vehicle. I think I've showed this in a couple other videos. It's a brand spanking new. It's a self-tappers?
Yeah.
No, they look like Tex cruisers. Help the airbag go off. Anyway, this is her new car. What is it, a 2099? Is it duct tape?
Yeah. Duct tape here and
This
here.
thing is perfect.
Awesome. Classic.
Anyways, the roof is really rusted, so we were going to take her down and try to use the spray that I have, this acid cleaner, and see if it'll work without a lot of physical muscle. I did bring a drill and that brush too, but we're going to see if we can just take it to the car wash, spray that crap on the roof, and then power wash the rust right off. And probably not, but might get a good deal of it off. And then we were going to try to probably gonna do like white primer, I think, to just coat it. I mean, the car's white, so if we can get some white primer on it, then we can get around to painting it whenever, you know, like summertime or something.
Yeah.
So anyway, that's our mission for today. I figure we got some good sunlight, so I'd show you guys what we're trying to get rid of. That, and then we're here at AutoZone. We're gonna pick up some white self-etching primer probably. So anyway, hopefully after we get the rust off we can seal it up. Well, he got the good stuff. The U-Pole double coverage. $26 for 2 cans of this crap. That's insane. Alright, we made it. Oh wait, before you make it start, should we get it wet and spray it? Remember we were going to do that? You brought a spray bottle with... Crap, I hope it doesn't... There's 75 cents in there, let's remember that. Okay. Just spray the rust, just get it wet, because I think that's what the direction says to do. So he's going to wet that down. And then I'm going to spray it. Didn't want to turn on the machine and waste the money.
What do you think?
If you want a video,
Made a video?
I'm gonna spray. Man, because that stupid thing doesn't come back out, I think I'm just gonna spray some schmutz.
Some WD up in there?
Maybe that'll
So
help
it's
it
nice and
return.
moist.
Alright, let's see what happens. Oh, kinda helps.
Okay.
You're only supposed to leave this crap on for like 30 seconds. No. Oh well, what's it gonna hurt? It's not gonna eat through the metal, right?
Nope. I don't think you could hurt this thing either, so, you know. I mean, it's already, look what it's doing to the rust already.
Coming off.
Oh yeah, you can see.
Oh, good.
This was all, you guys saw it, it was all
So maybe they were lying.
surface rust.
Maybe it takes longer than 30 seconds. Oh
But
yeah, it
you
is
can
getting...
see it, you can see all the spots where you,
Yeah, it's spreading out. Huh?
yeah.
Cool. Hopefully...
All right. Okay. Not what I thought was going to happen, but...
It's all probably too wet, but we'll see what happens. All right, guys. I'd say that worked pretty well. We got. Oh shoot! No, whoops. 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 I didn't realize it was getting all the way out here. Our bad. That's a lot of flaky paint all over the car wash. Whoopsies. There should be a sign or something. They don't market this Moxie stuff as a rust remover, but it sure does work pretty good. I would say it takes a lot longer than the 30 seconds that they say to leave it on for everything else, though. We left it on for what, like 2 minutes or so?
Roughly.
Yeah, I think we did a couple minutes because we
sprayed it too because we started dry a little
right.
bit.
It didn't get all the rust the first time. I resprayed it, and then a couple minutes later, he went through there, power washed it, and I couldn't believe it. Every bit of it was just gone. It's probably re-rusting as we speak, but
No scrubbing.
we tried to dry it off with those yellow towels, but I forgot that they don't absorb any water. They like repel water. So we just kind of used it as like a squeegee and swept off the big chunks of water, however you say it. But we're gonna go home and hopefully prime it. Hopefully it won't be too rusty in another 3 minutes when we get there. All right, we're gonna do this in the garage because it's too windy to try to do it out here. Looks like somebody has already been in here. See that white overspray? We haven't even started yet. We're probably gonna end up painting that way. We're not. This is more to protect the paint than to look like a professional job. So yeah, we're just trying to beat the rust. So, we already wiped that down. We half-ass taped it off. So we're gonna get to spraying, I think. Yeah, we'll probably just go right over all that. It's just not going to be great. So we're not very impressed. That stuff says double the coverage. This is one coat, like through here. It's super light. And I'm already like a third of a can gone, so we might have to switch to the roof just so we make sure we get the rusted part covered. But it's not, we're not too impressed by the U-Pol Especial. What is
double the coverage, professional grade.
Professional mine.
Bull.
I've got quite a lot of experience with spray paint, and 2 cans, I think we should have easily been able to cover that. This is ridiculous. Don't buy this stuff, guys. It is trash. I mean, right there, I just sat there and went shh, like so damn slow. And it just starts spitting and sputtering at like half a can. So that was $26, and we're obviously going to have to go buy some like white paint or something to go over it. What a waste. I know white doesn't cover as much as like some other colors, but this is just not good for the money. It's terrible. I don't know. He's gonna do a little spot just to show you guys how it doesn't really cover. And that was already covered.
Twice.
That's a third coat. Just for comparison, we'll try to cover up this black part right here.
That is so pathetic.
Gotta go over it
So many times.
I'll show them though this Rust-Oleum 2X
Ultra cover.
paint and primer. I mean, you accidentally like here.
Oh,
I
it
mean,
goes right over.
it's just one coat. It's covered like this stuff is incredible. I mean, that's what I would think when it says double coverage. You would think that it would be something like that. That's specifically why he bought it, because he thought, oh, well, 2 cans, that's like buying 4. Nope. And now we're regretting not taking the time to like completely sand the rest of the paint off the roof and everything, but we were going to do that when we actually go to paint it. This is just to kind of keep it from rusting and buy us a little time. So, I mean, obviously we're going to have to sand the whole car before it gets painted, but we thought this would be real quick, and it's not. It's turning into a pain in the ass. But now we got to go down and buy some more paint. So we're at Lowe's, and now we're looking at. I remember when we were at AutoZone, and he was debating on buying 1 can, and he's like, "Well, I'm going to get 2 because I don't want to have to go back out anywhere." Here we are at Lowe's, and now we're trying to. He said this stuff's only $3 a can, which is crazy cheap. This other stuff, this Rust-Oleum Paint Plus Primer 2X, I think we're going to go with that probably because it's only $7 a can.
And they do sell this
And
too. Max covered same stuff. It's just their brand, I bet. But for the same price, I'm going to get Rust-Oleum.
Yeah, we know this is the same stuff I just showed you guys that does cover really well on the, at least on the darker colors. So hopefully 2 cans of this will cover the car since it's already covered. All right, let's try this again. I guess that's all we're going to do for today. We're going to vacuum it out tomorrow and stuff, but the roof looks 1,000 times better than it did when it was just rust. So we'll eventually paint it, but we tried to go around and clean up all the overspray and stuff, but you know, from 10-15 feet, she's not horrible. Okay, well, a little bit.
Better if you spend $30 the first go.
Right. Anyway, I'm still pretty impressed with the rust stuff. So
Yeah.
all right, well guys, I think that's gonna do it for this video. We were just mainly testing out that Moxie stuff and a couple kinds of spray paint. Which the first one, what was that brand? Absolutely sucked. And then this U-Pol or whatever. This stuff is awesome. The Rust-Oleum 2X paint and primer. Huh?
U-Pol, U-P-O-L.
The U-Pol Expert paint is garbage, so it's expensive and it doesn't work. I mean, we, with 2 cans and there's still a little bit left in there, covered everything. And you guys saw it the first time around with that U-Pol primer stuff. So anyways, all right guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you very soon and take care.